Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Chillin Chili. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the sunglasses. At the top, let's draw a line across. Then from both ends, let's bring it down. And a small line back in. Now at the same level, let's hop to the center and let's draw another line across. Now from each side, let's draw a long curve down and back up. Now let's hop inside and let's draw two lines across near the top. And another curve down underneath. And lastly, for the sunglasses, let's draw a small square inside on each side like this. And that's it for the sunglasses. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the top of the head. From each side, let's draw a curve up and in. And connect it with a curve across the top. Now on top, let's step in and let's draw another set of curves up. And another curve across. And let's do one more smaller one on top. Now at the top here, let's draw the stem by drawing two curves up and over to the right. And close it off at the end. Now let's hop back down and let's continue drawing the shape of the body. On the left side, let's draw a long curve down and bring it in. Then at the end, let's curve it out. Now let's hop over to the right and let's draw a long curve down and across to close off the body. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop in and let's draw the mouth. Let's draw a curve across at the top. And then a small curve on each side. Next, underneath, let's draw a long curve down and back up. Now let's hop inside the mouth and let's draw a curve across at the top. And then a bump up at the bottom for the tongue. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. On each side, let's draw two angles down and out. And then let's angle each of them back up. And close off the arms with a curve across. Now at the ends, let's draw the hands. From the top, let's bring it up, over, and back down for the thumbs. And then the index finger with another rectangle shape up on each side. Now for the next fingers, let's draw a rectangle, and 2 more rectangles in the same way. And then to close off the hand, let's bring it down and back in. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start on the bottom left and let's draw 2 angles down and out. And the same on the right side. Now let's bring each of these lines down. And close off the bottom with a curve. Now let's add the feet. From the inside, let's step up and let's bring it out and down. Then let's hop out and let's draw an angle out. And curve it down at the ends. Now to close off the bottom, let's draw an angle out. And then a curve across. Now top in at the bottom and let's draw an angle in and down. And now let's color both of these in black. Next, let's add another angle up along the bottom. Now in the top section, let's draw an angled rectangle. And add some lines across inside for the laces. And that's it for Chillin Chili. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!